Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to fix missing Instagram Notes feature 2023. Instagram's app was recently updated, and some users have reported that the Notes feature has been removed. We've got you covered, so don't worry. In this video, we'll explain how to resolve the issue with the missing Instagram Notes feature that some of you may be having in 2023. To reactivate the feature, we'll walk you through a few easy steps. The Notes feature is visible at the top when you go to Instagram and open one of your direct messages. However, if you're not seeing it, you should check to see if your activity status is turned on. To do so, exit the DMs and go to your profile. Then, in the top right corner of the screen, click the three lines, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the Activity Status button and toggle it on. This ensures that the Notes feature on your device is operational. If the first step didn't work, another thing you can try is checking if your Instagram app is up to date. To do this, exit Instagram and open the App Store. Check Instagram to see if there are any updates. Update it if there is. This will ensure that you have all the latest features, including the Notes feature. Open Instagram after updating the app to see if the Notes feature is now available in your direct messages. If it is still not visible, try reinstalling the app. To do this, delete Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it from the App Store. This will clear any cache or unnecessary data that may be causing the Notes feature to malfunction. If reinstalling the app doesn't work, you might have to wait a bit longer for the Notes feature to become available in your region. Sometimes, Instagram rolls out new features before making them available to others. So, it's possible that the feature is not yet available in your country. In this case, you may have to wait a couple more days or weeks for a new update to arrive. And that's how you can fix the missing Notes feature on Instagram. Like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for your support.